Who would you say is the sexiest and most gorgeous man?
Caught me on that one. It's a very tough one. Could we substitute that with charming?
Can we stick to sexy and gorgeous?
Taking names is tough. All right, let's take someone who is obviously selected amongst the list of Indian men, right, internationally recently. Salman.
Salman Khan.
If you've got to talk about the obvious, the physical,
I think he's got very perfect features. I think he's extremely good looking.
Or from the modeling world, let's say someone who's I've seen photographed brilliantly recently is this boy.